Guys, I have a challenge right now. I will start my journey in the Fushan Park going to Sembawang Hot Spring. And this challenge, I must go there within 1 hour. So, let's go guys. Okay guys, this is my starting point here at Fushan Garden. So this is near our place. So okay, this is the kilometer 0. Okay, let's go. Right now I'm at Avenue 7, Woodland Avenue 7, because the challenge here, right? So I must be there at Sembawang Hot Spring before 7 o'clock, because at 7 it will close. So that is my challenge for me, the challenge for me rather. And I must go there before it closes. Okay guys, join me.
It's been a hard day's night, and I've been working like a dog. Penny Lane, there is a barber showing photographs of every head he's had the pleasure to have known, and all the people that come and go stop and say hello.
Yan nga guys, no? Nandito na tayo ngayon sa Gambas Avenue. Ito, one whole stretch, and we will reach the Sembawang Hot Spring. So we are on track. Hopefully I can make it. I have 1 hour left, so kaya pa. Let's go guys. Guys, we are nearing our destination on Sembawang Hot Spring. Maybe around less than 600 meters. So let's keep it going, and we are nearing our target. Let's go guys.
The long and winding road that leads to your goal will never disappear.
So there you go guys, I made it to Sembawang Hot Spring Park. So I will go inside and to see if the water is really hot. Thanks guys for joining me. I will go inside now. Right now guys, I'm here inside Sembawang Hot Spring Park, and let's see where is the water, the hot water, the famous hot water. So this is the direction. So I think a few meters ahead, then I can reach now the hot spring park. Okay guys, let's go. Okay guys, let's continue our journey. We have 30 minutes left to enjoy the hot water in this park. So a lot of beautiful flowers in this park. Yeah, they maintain it, and quite pleasant to the eyes, right? So it's very beautiful. And there's some gumamela plant here.
Deep inside the water. We bring the what? We bring something.
So there you go guys, I'm nearing the site. So I'm currently walking, and some people are fetching water here. As you can see, it's this blue guy. Yeah, it's some water fetched in on this park. Okay, let's see. Oh, there you go, there it is. So first time to go here. Oh, it's really hot. Wow, it's really hot. Impressive. Impressive, huh? It's really a hot spring here. Okay, let's try to soak in my feet here. I will try to do as the other people doing here. Okay, let's go.
See the love there that's sleeping while my guitar gently weeps. I look at the floor and I see it needs sweeping.
Oh, cannot be because this side is shallow, that side is higher. So how can the water flow out? Because of the coming in
Hi guys, mission accomplished, no? So I was able to reach the place, this Sembawang Hot Spring Park early on my target. So I did 15 minutes earlier than my target, and it was a very nice experience, no? To experience the fresh water from the spring. It's really hot. It feels like you're in the sauna, so it's very relaxing, and it's my first time here, and I think it will not be the last. I will keep on coming back if there will be some time to visit again this place. It's free for the public, but the timing is it will be closed at around 7 p.m. So guys, thank you very much for joining on my blog, and see you on my next blog. Okay guys, God bless, and see you next time.